From the top view here, you can see where, hopefully, there's a space here, probably about 1.5 inches that I lost for the drawer guides and the rail to hang the drawer guides on, so I lost a little bit of storage space. On the back side, it's minimal, maybe 1 inch or so, and in the end, it's within 1 inch of being full. You can see here this has some wobble to it when it's fully extended. Pretty good on weight. I think it'll hold probably 100 pounds. The literature says 400 pounds, but that's definitely a stretch. Anyway, that's what it looks like.